How to share your snap code to your Instagram story directly on Snapchat. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your snap code to Instagram stories. So all what you have to do is go to Snapchat. Now go to the top corner, click on your avatar and click on your snap code. After you click on snap code, now scroll down like this and click on share snap code option, the first one. After you click on it, swipe right and click on more option. After you click more, it will take you to this page, and right here you will find Instagram stories. As you can see, it's very easy, and I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.